When preparing this exam, there are places where an image is to be embedded here in the Word document. I will number that item and then drop down one space so that I'm certain that the image goes along with that numbered item from the exam. I go up to here, insert a picture from this device, and I insert the image that I have saved on my computer. Now I see that the image is way too large, so I want to go up here and reduce the image to the size required. It's not an exact science, but we want to make sure that the images are all correctly added. Any information that I needed to include about that image will go here in answer to the question. When I've completed all of the answers, I want to go back and double check everything and make sure that I proofread all of my content. All statements are to be formal statements. We are not going to submit an exam that looks like we are talking to someone on Twitter. We are going to write complete, formal sentences. When that is complete, then we simply file and we save this first as a Word document so we can make any changes, and then save that as a PDF, remembering to add my word count before I complete that process. I can find my word count by clicking Review and checking over here for the word count and adding that word count to my information at the top. Remember, I'm not able to grade anything that does not have a name, date, identification, and a word count. So make sure that all that is double checked, then save as a PDF. When the Save As option arrives on the scene, we will click Save this as a PDF. Remember to include crisp, clear images, no watermarks, but a crisp image. If it needs to be lightened, then you can use the editing controls to lighten the image. Make sure the image is the proper size. Complete all of the sentences in the exam, and then be sure never to talk to another student about this exam. Never discuss it in any way with anyone. The exam is set up for you to show what you have learned and how you have studied all of the study documents in the first 2 weeks of the course. This concludes this tutorial on the Week 3 exam.